Hold me, baby, won't you touch me? Think of me here in the night, and you know it'll be alright. Hey. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO! Not a BOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. And I am Natasha. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Well, go ahead, tell them. Our Ojibwe word of the day is simply miigwetch. Thank you. And thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. And I am Nana BOOZHOO. I will see you again. Igawaba min, minawa, hawa. I took the show over today. Yeah, I know. You mind? Not at all. Yeah, see you later. Bye-bye. Oh, I know that you are sleeping. Girl, there's something I must say. Though the road may wind, our love will find the way. Many miles have come between us, and the days they come and go. Still with all we feel, it never really shows. Hold me, baby, won't you touch me? Think of me when we're apart. Hey. You know, not a lot of people realize, you know who wrote that song?
Who?
Paul Stanley.
Oh, really?
On his solo album.
Oh, that's right.
All right.